Hey everyone, how are you? I'm so glad to see you again. So today in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple but also beautiful Rangoli design on paper using poster colors. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, please draw the outline of this Rangoli on a chart paper or anything which you have. So first we start with medium yellow. Okay, I'm using very less amount of water for this. You can also use acrylic colors or oil pastels for this. Actually, acrylic colors will do much better than these colors, poster colors. But I wanted to try this one, so that's why I use poster colors. So for the bigger circle and the next circle, I am using yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre is also present in oil pastel colors and in acrylic colors too. And again, very less amount of water to make it darker. And one thing I want to clear this, that the boys who are watching this video, just please go for it. Actually, many say that no, Rangoli is meant for girls, only girls make Rangoli. But if you will search on YouTube and if you will go at bigger places, you will see Rangoli is mainly made by boys. कोई भी बड़ा function होगा, anything, boys are responsible for making Rangoli. Even मेहंदी जो लगाते हैं वो भी mainly boys ही लगाते हैं, ठीक है? So don't feel shy upon making Rangolis. Always go for it. So for the final circle and the bigger circle, I am using poster red color. You can also use vermilion hue color, and if you're using acrylic colors, then you can use primary red, and primary red is also in oil pastels. So go for primary red, and in poster it's poster red. Okay. Cover the whole circle with poster red, and I'm using very less amount of water in this whole video. Okay, I will not repeat it again. So I'm using very less amount of water. Now I'm using light green color with very less amount of water again. So cover the whole circle with light green. So if you want to recreate this painting or rangoli, then please tag me on Instagram and share your photo with me. I will be glad to review your drawing. Okay, the link of my Instagram ID is given on description box. To dry my rangoli faster, I am using a hair dryer to dry it. But if you don't have hair dryer, then don't worry. You can also use a normal fan for this. Okay, and naturally be सूख सकता है. Okay, so hair dryer is not necessary. So again, I'm using light green color for smaller circle. Okay. Now again, it's turn for poster red. So go for it. So you can see that the color is very light. Okay, so you can see that the color is very lighter. So I advise you to use acrylic colors for this, and you can also use oil pastels for this. So now I'm using blue color. You can use any blue color. I have used ultramarine blue, but you can use any blue. Okay. So color all the petals with blue color, ultramarine blue color. Okay. You can see. Focus here that you don't have to color everything with blue color. जितना हम किए हैं उतना ही you'll have to do. The inner petals will be colored with poster red color or vermilion hue, which and whatever you want. So don't color the whole petals. You can see I'm using poster red now, or you can also use vermilion hue. And if acrylic, then primary red. For the outer part also, I'm using poster red color. You can also use vermilion hue color. Okay, so you can see I'm using poster red color. And for the remaining two petals, जो design है बाहर का, I will use lemon yellow color, and then I will use ultramarine blue. So now I'm using poster red. Okay. So cover the whole design with poster red. Don't leave any space in between. Otherwise it will not look good. And if you will do with it with acrylic color, then it will look more good. More than this. ठीक है? So now it's turn for lemon yellow color. You can also use medium yellow if you don't have lemon yellow color. Okay. This is lemon yellow color with very less amount of water. So color this design also with lemon yellow completely thoroughly. Don't leave any space in between. ठीक है? And use very less amount of water, otherwise it will look very lighter if you are using poster colors. But if you are using acrylic colors, then don't worry, it will look automatically good if you will use much water also. ठीक है? Again, I'm using hair dryer to dry my painting. So for the small gaps, I'm using light green color. So you can see I'm filling the gaps with light green color. And remember that I'm using very less amount of water. So I always repeat this, and please keep this in mind. Okay. Fill all the gaps with light green color. Now to make some beautiful patterns on the Rangoli, I'm using white poster color. So you can also go for white acrylic color. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. Make small dots out of white poster color. For the highlights too, I'm using white poster color. So you can see that I'm outlining it with white acrylic color or white poster color. Outline everything with white poster color. You can see now. So many of the viewers ask the number of brush. So I'm using round brush number 2. Okay. So I'm making some very simple patterns like diya like patterns on the Rangoli. So do this. Again, I'm making very small patterns on the design with white poster color or white acrylic color. At last, I will cut this rangoli with a scissor, and then I will cover this rangoli with transparent paper. Okay. I hope you must have enjoyed this video and found this video useful, and in case you will recreate this painting, then please do tag me on Instagram. The link of my Instagram ID is given in description box. So let's meet in next video.